Okay, we're just gonna warm water, test spot. Yeah, I'd say this doll's definitely wing cleaner. It almost looks like she's gonna be less work than some, which is great. Well, I'm not even using soap, I'm just using warm water. This is fantastic. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Like I said, she comes from a home that they smoked in. So I think a lot of it's just the nicotine on the plastic, which, you know, this is a good challenge because this can be fixed. I think this part might need oxy, but that's okay. Yeah, she's gonna be great, and when I'm done with her, you're not even gonna know she came from a house where people smoked, because I don't like that smell. The doll is cool. This is good. Let's see. Paint. Feels like acrylic, but we will see. Yeah, this is some kind of acrylic, and it comes right off. Now we have a spot on the cheek here. Let's just try this. I don't think this is going to work for this one. But, you know, I like being wrong about this. Being wrong about cleaning things is good, especially when it's easier. But we'll see. I'll take her apart. I'll unstuff her. I'll try to film the unstuffing. There's a crazy amount of stuffing in these dolls, because the smoke will have seeped in, and her body's kind of dark because it absorbed a lot of nicotine. She smells like smoke, like icky cigar smoke. That's okay. I'll get this clean. And there are those eyes. There's a cloudy eye. I do have a plan, and I think it's going to be neat. No, she's not turning into a cyborg. Okay.